How to change your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video is based on how you can change name in Facebook. In order to change name in Facebook, first thing first, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. After that, go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Once you open up your Facebook app, this is how it's gonna look like. On this page, click on the try bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. Scroll down to the bottom, click on settings and privacy. Once again, click on settings. As soon as you've done that, head over to the section of Meta Account Center. Underneath, click on see more in Account Center. After that, you'll be able to see Account Center, and here you need to click on the profile, which is right on top. Once again, click on the profile, you'll be able to see different options. Over here, go ahead and click on names in order to make changes with your name. So remove the current name. After that, type in the new one, and once you've done that, click on review changes, which is right at the bottom. After that, your name will be changed, so click on the save changes button. As you can see that the name has been successfully updated. Go back to your profile, and that is basically how you can change your name in Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.